Yesterday, we filled a whole week in minutes. Today, we go bigger, a whole month in one sitting. Imagine not thinking about what to post for 30 days straight. Here's the magic of batching a month. You do the thinking once, and then you just breathe. No daily scramble, no blank screen. It's the single biggest stress reliever there is. Step 1. Give Claude your pillars, not the 4 or 5 kinds of posts you always make. For a car rental business, promos, quick tips, behind the scenes, and customer wins. That's the skeleton of your whole month. Step 2. Give it a rhythm. Tell Claude, Mondays are tips, Wednesdays are behind the scenes, Fridays are promos. Now every week has a shape, and your followers learn what to expect. Step 3. Ask for the whole thing. Write me 30 days of posts for my car rental business following that weekly pattern. One message, a month of content comes back. Now make it real. Tell Claude what's actually happening that month. A holiday weekend, a sale, a new car joining the fleet. It'll line the posts up with real events so nothing feels generic. 30 posts sounds like a lot to check, so have Claude lay it out 1 week at a time. You skim a week, give a thumbs up, move on. The whole month gets approved in a couple of minutes. Over 30 posts, it's easy to get repetitive, so tell Claude to keep it fresh. Different angles, different formats, questions, lists, short stories. A month should feel varied, not copy-paste. The fundamentals from last time still apply, just at scale. Ask it to give every single post a scroll-stopping first line and one clear call to action. 30 posts, 30 little invitations to act. Then multiply. Take your strongest ideas and ask Claude to spin each into a reel, a carousel, and a story, spread across different days. One good idea can quietly fill a week. Here's the move that makes it click. Ask Claude to put the month in a table. Date, theme, caption, hashtags, and an image idea for each. Suddenly your entire month is on one screen, organized and ready. Now save yourself forever. Drop your pillars and this monthly prompt into your project. Remember those from episode 5? Next month, you just open it and say, do it again. The system builds itself. Then cue it. Load your month into whatever scheduler you use, or even just a simple doc you post from. Either way, the decisions are already made. You're not posting daily anymore, you're just showing up when you want to. One important thing, leave a little room. Keep a couple of open slots each week for something spontaneous. A trend, a bit of news, a moment you want to share. A month plan should be a guide, not a cage. And don't start from scratch every time. Feed Claude the posts that did well before and say, give me fresh takes on these for this month. Your greatest hits, remixed. What worked once tends to work again. Sprinkle in a few posts across the month that point people to your other channels, your YouTube especially. A month of content is also a month of little invitations for your audiences to find each other. One thing to avoid, don't go completely hands-off. Still drop in your real photos and a personal line and glance at it once a week. The plan does the heavy lifting, you keep it human. So here's the payoff. The content that used to hang over your head all month long now happens in a single sitting. One coffee and you're covered till next month. So, 5 moves. Start with your pillars, give it a weekly pattern, ask for the whole month, line it up with real dates, and save it as a project. Do that once and a month of content is just done. Tomorrow, we bring it all to life, turning your best ideas into short videos with AI. 3 minutes a day keeps the stress away. Pull up a stool and I'll see you tomorrow.